Hey there guys, here we go. Our learning intention today is to calculate the value of angles around a point. And our success criteria is, I guess, really to understand that angles around a point equal 360 degrees. And by that I mean this. See, look, there's actually 5 different angles here. I guess we've got circle plus square, smiley face angle and triangle angle. And I want you to know that whatever the value of these angles, when they are added all together, they actually form what is called a revolution angle, which equals 360 degrees. Angles around a point equal 360 degrees. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're in the teach phase here. Here we are. Now, if you've looked at my other videos before, you've probably looked at my revolution video, and we worked out that the revolution angle equals 360 degrees. So all the way around here, the complete circle, the angle that travels from here and goes all the way around back to the start equals 360 degrees. So that means when we get a question like this, that's 90 degrees. When we get a question like this, what's the value of x? We can see that this is 90 degrees, that's 45 degrees, that's 100 degrees, that's 45 degrees. Do not get out your protractor and measure the value of x. You should know, or at least I'm teaching you, that the revolution angle, or angles around a point, all come together to equal 360 degrees. So this value, this missing value, when added to all these other values, is going to total 360 degrees. So this is really an add and subtraction sum. Guys, you've got to add up all of this. So that's 90 plus 45 plus 100 plus 45, which equals 280 degrees. Which means how much is left over? What's the difference between this value, 280 degrees, and 360 degrees? That might look like this. Because we know all the way around is a revolution angle. We know that angles around a point all add up to 360 degrees. So the value of x should be 360 minus 280, which is 80 degrees. So x should be 80 degrees. Okay, hey, let's do one together. Look, here's some angles around a point. So here we go. Look, you don't know what x is, but you know this is 80, this is 30, this is 120. You know that angles around a point equal 360 degrees, which is the same as saying a revolution angle equals 360 degrees. Knowing that, how are you going to work out what x is? Let me help you out. Do you think you'll add up all of these? Yes. Do you think you'll then take that away from? Okay, you have a go at that by yourself. I mean, I guess we did it a bit together. You have a go. You add up these. You take this total away from 360 degrees. That should give you what x is. So this is what we should have done. We should have gone 120 plus 30 plus 80, and that equals 230. And then we should have taken 230 away from 360, which equals, well, let's write it down. 360, take away 230, which equals 130. So the value of x should be 130. Okay, did we get that one together? Did we do that together? Didn't quite do it together, did we? It was a bit more of a try, wasn't it? But here we go. You are going to try one all by yourself. And just a reminder, guys, remember the distance all the way around here equals 360. So I guess this is 80 plus 30 plus 120, which equaled 230. So you had to find the difference between 230 and 360 to find the value of x, which was 130. Okay, you're going to try one all by yourself, guys. Here we go. Let's say this is angle A. Let's say this angle here is 100 degrees. Let's say this angle here is 50 degrees. Let's say this angle here is 120 degrees. What's A? What's A? You work it out. Pause me and have a go. Okay, I hope you had a go. Here's what you should have done. You should have gone, look, well, all around here is a revolution. And so that means angles around a point equal 360 degrees. So you should have gone 120 plus 100 plus the 50 equals 270. Okay, but you're not finished because then you've got to actually find the difference between 270 and 360. That'll be A, so you should have gone 360, take away 270, which should have given you 90. So A equals 90 degrees. And some of you might be going, Mr. Burns, you know, that doesn't look like 90 degrees. If I got my protractor, that wouldn't actually be 90 degrees. And you're right, except we're actually not learning how to use protractors here. We're learning how to find the value of the angle given certain values. So sometimes the angles aren't drawn perfectly, and this one certainly wasn't. But that's okay, because we knew this was 100, this was 50, this is 120, so this had to be 90. Okay, this has been Teach Together Try. We have looked at finding the values of angles around a point. I hope it's been useful. See you later.